Hey guys, it's Chris from Cheap Tech and just going to do a quick video. Well, hopefully it's quick. I'll try not to drag it out too long. Just to mark the occasion, I've now been on YouTube for a year and just want to use this video just to give you guys a bit of a rundown of how the channel's going and all that lovely stuff. First of all, I started this channel officially, I think it was the 5th of February 2017, so it's just over a year, and I mainly started it because I like tech, I like buying tech, using tech and selling tech. I'm sure you'll all agree the best part about tech is if you can buy it at the right price, but also get the tech that you're after. So I started this channel mainly just to do my take on things, but also allow me to buy tech and all that lovely stuff as well. So quite a bit of spare time on my hands, so I thought, well, we'll give it a go. And since then, it's been a year, and so that's the main reason I started it. So what I'm going to do is I'll just run through the YouTube analytics. What I'm going to do, I'm going to look at that on my iPhone. I'm going to do the screen recording, which I've never used on my iPhone, and then I'll try and pop it here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so let's just nip into the YouTube Studio app, and we'll go to the first part there. So obviously my channel name is Cheap Tech. It's a name I thought was quite catchy, and if we look at the top of the screen there, we can see I've got 294 subscribers. So a big thank you to everybody who's pressed that subscribe button. I don't know if you know about the new YouTube monetization that's kicking off on the 20th of Feb. I don't quite reach that mark, so I will be demonetized from then, but I'm going to keep on making videos, get back up to speed with that, and hopefully start to monetize again. So underneath that you've got analytics, and this is based on the last 28 days. So what we can do there is pop into the view more section, and it breaks it down a bit further. So it does last 48 hours real-time views. So if we press onto that, and you get a bit of a fancy graph. Not fancy, it's a bit basic, but and on there we can then click and get a few more options. So what I'm going to do is press the lifetime, because it's just been over a year. So from the start of the channel to now, or yesterday, I think it's delayed 24 hours, I've had 140,621 views. Now, just to put it into some perspective, I hit the 100,000 mark on the 28th of December. So just over a month I've had 40,000 views. So I'm pretty happy with that, and you can see from the graph it's growing quite nicely. Had a bit of a peak around late November, December. That's to do with the when the shops have the sales, places like Amazon have the Prime Day. The views get bigger because I'm assuming more people are searching for reviews online to get a bit of information what they want to buy. So next down, it breaks down the real-time views, breaks it up a bit further. These are not the top views. These are just the my last 5 videos. So we'll go down a bit further. So watch time in the last 28 days. So this is in minutes. The last 28 days. You guys out there, for whatever reason, you can probably get tablets to stop you doing this, but you've watched my videos a total of 45,000 minutes 483, which is absolutely fantastic. If we click on that again, we can do the lifetime views. So over the last year you've watched me a total of 277,000 minutes, 277,000, put my teeth in, 229 minutes. So that does actually meet the YouTube criteria. It's just my subscribers that are letting me down a little bit. Not that I'm saying you guys have let me down, just need more subscribers. But that's mainly my fault, getting some more videos out and all that. So the views, that's pretty much what we looked at before. Subscribers, the last 28 days, 46 new subscribers. I think if we click into that, I believe that peaked around December time. Yeah, we got this 71 in December. November was 62. And if you go to January, it was 45. So you can see it built up to December, then dropped down in January. Again, I believe January's not a fantastic time for YouTube because not many people are looking for things to buy because you're all skint after Christmas apparently. I'm just skint all the time, but there you go. So top videos there at the bottom. Top videos from the 15th of Jan to the 11th of February, which was yesterday, was the Echo Show with 10,000 minutes viewed and so on. And it goes all the way down to the ones that aren't being watched very much, which is fine, no problem with that. The only one I've not looked at is the money side of it. Now, I don't know if you know how YouTube works. If you monetize yourself on YouTube, which is just how people make money, is every time you see an ad in front of a video that you've clicked to watch, or a little banner that comes up on the bottom, that means that channel's been monetized, and for every ad that shows you get a very small payment, and I'm talking minuscule. So I'm just going to jump into this now. So bear in mind I've had 140,000 views. Now don't count the first 10,000 views because I needed 10,000 views to start monetizing. So it's roughly 130,000 views before I could start to earn money. So I'll just click into that. Now I will say the Porsche hasn't been ordered yet. I'm still paying off for the Aston Martin. So we'll click on the lifetime. So from the lifetime of the channel, so this year off 130,000 views, I've earned $233.69, which is around, I believe, 160, 170 pounds in the UK, which, well, I'll get paid. I did receive a payment in December, and I will get paid before the, well, when the monetisation stops on the 20th or just after. So then I won't get monetised until I reach 1,000 subscribers, which we'll do very soon, won't we, guys? Anyway, so that's basically it. That's my run through of my first year on YouTube. So let's just stop recording on my phone. But lovely. So what I do want to say, guys, is again, I always say it, a massive thank you for everybody that watches stuff that I put up on YouTube, my videos and stuff like that. I have got plans to do some more. If you can see this little guy at the back. There we go. Let's grab him off his cradle. So we'll be doing something with this little guy soon. Quite fun. And I've got a few other ideas, and also as new things come out that I think you'll be interested in, I will try and make videos on those as well. And again, a big thank you to everybody that's subscribed. If anybody does watch my videos and likes them, please press the like button. And also, if you're not subscribed, please press the subscribe button. Like I say, it does help. And also, if you think anything that you've seen might be interesting to somebody that you know, please do share. Share on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever platform you tend to use. So again, a big thank you, guys. That's my first year on YouTube. Again, this video is a good reference point for myself as well to see where I was. We'll do another one again at the end of my second year, and hopefully I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.